very quiet, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna scare Grandma and Grandpa. Come on, ready? Be very quiet. Shh, come on.
Come on.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, you scared me!
Sorry. I'm jail.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you.
Oh, you're so sweet. You didn't mean to scare us? Aw.
Shh, get down. Hurry. Ready? Go this way.
Yeah, but.
Oh! Oh, I'm scared.
Sorry. I'm jail.
Thank you.